Hello, I'm Bryce Milan with Opulent Philanthropy Incorporated nonprofit organization. We are a nonprofit organization dedicated to serving the needs of our local community. We are providing food and shelter to those in need during the Kerrville, Texas flood. We are committed to making a positive impact on the lives of those around us. By supporting Opulent Philanthropy Incorporated, you are supporting your community. Kerrville, Texas Disaster Relief Fund. We have provided shelter and over 1 million meals during these disasters. Every contribution, big or small, will bring much-needed assistance to families struggling in the aftermath of this disaster. Texas Guadalupe River flood leaves at least over 100 dead across 2 counties. Children's Camp Mystic evacuated by helicopter and flood waters swept away dozens of children at a local Christian camp. Between more than 127 from Camp Mystic people remain missing from Camp Mystic, an all-girls private Christian camp along the Guadalupe River. Major damage is being reported along the Guadalupe River. Homes near the river have been inundated with water. Some swept off their foundations, while others remain surrounded by debris and mud. We are a non-profit organization dedicated to improving the lives of people in need. If you would like to donate, please visit us at www.opulentusa.org/Texas. Thank you.